What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an overlay in CapCut on your PC so you can layer videos and create a picture-in-picture effect. To start, open CapCut on your PC. This method works whether you're using the CapCut desktop app or CapCut in a browser. The first step is to import the videos you want to use. Click on Media and then select the video that will serve as your background. Once imported, click the plus button to add it to the timeline. If needed, trim the video by dragging its edges to adjust its duration. Next, add the video you want to overlay. Go back to Media, select your second video, and click the plus button again. By default, both videos will be placed on the same track. But since we want to create an overlay, we need to move the second video to a new track. To do this, click and hold the overlay video and drag it upward. This will automatically create a new video track, placing the second video on top of the background video. Now, when you play the timeline, you will see the overlay video, but it may cover the entire background. To adjust the size and position of the overlay, use the preview window. Click on the overlay video, then drag the corner handles to resize it. You can also use the scale tool on the right-hand side to fine-tune the size. Once resized, drag the video to position it wherever you want, such as in a corner for a face cam effect. If needed, you can add more overlays, text stickers, or additional effects to enhance your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on Export in the top right corner to save your video. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.